So guys, nagluto ako ng beef, guys. So ang tawag nito is beef stew. So kanina ko pa to nilutong mga 9 ng umaga, tapos 12 na. So ito yung for lunch ko, guys. At saka dinner na rin. Ayan, ako lang kakain ito, guys. Tapos nag-bake din ako ng banana bread, pero na ano pa, wala pa yan, hindi pa naluto yan. So mamaya pa yan, mga 30 to 40 minutes. So ayan, luto tayo today. Tapos ito yung uulamin ko. So yung ano pala, beef na niluto ko, lagyan ko ng daw ng laurel. Ayan, kanang maragong basta good. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Megan Marjorie. So finally guys, I'm able to make this content to talk to you, and I'm able to sit down video vlog. So what happened is, I don't really vlog last couple of maybe a month or two, and I don't really feel like vlogging last couple of months. It's because it's not being lazy. I have other things to do, guys. So may inaasikaso, and at the same time I'm focusing on my health to be healthy. As you know, if you watch my vlog last year, I had heart surgery, and as you can see, I look better now. I look healthier. I'm still skinny, but I'm getting weight, I guess. So yeah, I'm okay, guys, and we're okay sa mister ko. We're just fine. It's just I wanna lay low a bit on the social media, and tagsa na lang kong mag upload usay mag live ra nga kanang random, but I'm quite happy, guys, at the moment. Of course, may pinagdalaanan, but at the same time, I'm still positive and looking forward for the future. And yeah, that's it. So yung heart surgery ko last year was good. May mga medication lang na itetake ko. So, i-maintain ko, but I'm okay, guys. And sa help ng aking asawa, I'm able to, like process all those things. Hindi siya madali, pero yeah, I made it. And natapos na rin yung pinag-aralan ko. So, I did my study, and I'm qualified na. But, meron pa akong i-study, guys, this coming few months. So, mag-ano muna ako, go somewhere, like, mag-holiday muna kami, guys. Kasi it's been a while, hindi kami nag-holiday. I mean, we go on a date, we go to restaurants, eat out, but so guys, yes, I'm ready to tell you that I'm okay. I'm not perfect. I get sad. I feel crazy sometimes, and moody, and just sometimes you don't understand your feelings, like maybe anxiety, sort of depression. When COVID hit, I nearly go in trouble, and my husband knows that, but thanks for him that he always trying to understand me and trying to make me believe that everything's gonna be okay. And even sometimes we, me and my husband fights too, and it's normal. And some days I don't really want to talk to people. That's why I don't really upload a video here lately. And I just don't feel like, I just want to lay low from the social media. And I know social media is very convenient. And of course, there's a bad side too. But if you use it on a good side, yes. But yeah, I just want to be like, live alone. You know what I mean? Live alone and just be private for couple of days, months, weeks. And I was talking to my grandma and my family, my sisters, and yeah, just some days life is tough, but what you do is just keep going and looking forward for the future. If you want to live in this horrible world, you gotta be tough, girl. So yeah, I try to cope those things. Mga chocolate, guys, hinihingi na kong palit. This is it.